how to contact Rex Airlines support. Hello everyone, welcome. So with this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact Rex Airlines support. Alright, so how do you do that? It is simple, okay? Now, the first step is to log in into your Rex Airlines, of course. And then once you're logged in, at the top part of the screen next to the Rex logo, you can see some action buttons, which includes book, plan and book, manage bookings, ready to fly, loyalty program, promotions, help center. So you click on that. Then under help center, you can see different options are available. You can see the feedback / request form, frequently asked questions, and then contact us. So which one, if you want articles addressing questions that you might have, you can click on FAQs. If you want to make a complaint and then speak directly to the customer service, it is advisable to click on the contact us. But then if you want to request, perhaps you need a special treatment or a special assistance while on your trip, ensure you click on the feedback or request form. So for the contact us option, just go ahead, move to contact us. Okay, select help center, scroll down, then select contact us, and once you've done that, you'll be taken to the contact us page. So on this page you can see the important contact. So depending on your category, all right, if you're a passenger, a creditor, a supplier, employee, or for inquiries, you can see the different email addresses that you can address your question to. Okay, or alternatively, if you'd like to contact the customer support directly, you can see the option for calls. You can see their opening time, closing time, and then you can see the number below. All right, now the number, if you're within Australia, is 13 17 13, but if you're outside Australia, this is the number that you have to call, +6126393550. So take note of that. And another alternative is to send a message directly to the customer support on WhatsApp or through Messenger. Select anyone that is preferred, and then you can also send feedback by filling the feedback form here. So whichever way, just make use of this and your questions will be addressed. Now for frequently asked questions with articles, you can see the different topics here, right? So click on that, and okay, here you are still able to call. So if you want frequently asked questions, if you want articles that have addressed frequently asked questions, go back to your home page, click on the help center again, and then click on frequently asked questions. Then you see articles, different topics. All right, search for the issue that you're facing, check out an article, read it, implement the instructions of the solution provided, and you're good to go. And for the feedback or request form, by clicking on this, you'll be taken to the page. Ensure you fill the form, and then once you fill the form, the response will be sent to you within 20 business days, right? So that is it. This is the way whereby you can contact Rex Airlines support. Thank you for watching and have a good day.